Have you ever wondered if you're actually on track to retire, or if your tax return is leaving money on the table just because you didn't check a specific box? When I first started using Wealthsimple, I thought it was just a clean app for buying stocks. But after digging into their ecosystem over the last year, I realized the real value isn't just in the trades, it's in the tools and calculators that do the heavy lifting for your financial planning. Today, I'm breaking down the best Wealthsimple tools you should actually be using to manage your money. 1. The Wealthsimple Tax Calculator. This is the tool I use every single December. Most people wait until April to think about taxes, but this calculator lets you test drive your return. You can plug in your estimated annual income and then toggle your RRSP contributions to see exactly how much of a refund you'll trigger. It's the most visual way to see the marginal tax rate in action, and it helps me decide exactly how much to move into my RRSP before the deadline to maximize that refund check. 2. The Retirement Planner. Unlike those clunky spreadsheets from the 90s, this tool is dynamic. What I love about it is the what-if factor. I use it to see the impact of retiring at 55 versus 65. It factors in your current age, your savings, and even inflation. It gave me a reality check on my burn rate, basically showing me that if I want to spend $5,000 a month in retirement, I need to pick up the pace now. It's a great wake-up call that's built right into the platform. 3. Automated Dividend Reinvestment, DRIP. This isn't a calculator, but it's the most powerful set and forget tool in the app. In the settings of your self-directed account, you can toggle on dividend reinvestments. Instead of having small amounts of cash sitting idle in your account, Wealthsimple automatically uses those dividends to buy fractional shares. I've seen my Apple and TD holdings grow month over month without me depositing a single extra cent. It's compounding on autopilot. 4. The Fee Calculator. This one is a bit of a hidden gem that most people ignore because it's a reality check. It compares what you're paying in Wealthsimple's managed portfolios, usually around 0.4% to 0.5%, against the 2% fees typical of big bank mutual funds. When I ran my numbers, seeing that 1.5% difference over 30 years represented tens of thousands of dollars in lost gains, it made it a lot easier to commit to the platform long term. 5. Portfolio Spreader and Technical Charts. For those of you who want to get a bit more nerdy, Wealthsimple recently integrated TradingView charts into their web platform. You can now switch from the basic line graph to candlestick charts and add indicators like RSI or moving averages. While it's not a full-blown pro terminal, it's a huge step up for timing your entries on ETFs or stocks you've been watching. Using these tools has completely changed how I view my dashboard. It's no longer just a place to see if my stocks are up or down, it's a command center for my entire financial life. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.